Did you know that websites offering chat as a communication option drive 20% more sales conversions? 62% of online consumers will buy more if chat support is available, and 2/3 of customers would return to a website that offers chat. Welcome to an overview of Intermedia Contact Center web chat, sometimes known as live chat. So far, you've seen a customer initiating a chat session, and on screen now you're seeing an agent responding. This powerhouse feature can transform how you interact with your customers. With web chat, customers can open new revenue lines by connecting with consumers who prefer or demand chat, boost sales by ensuring all chats are answered, cater to modern device and communication channel preferences, offer great service even after hours via interactive chat response, reduce churn, and deliver higher initial and long-term customer satisfaction. While partners can attain a higher level of ownership for chat deployment and customer success, accelerate customer contact center web chat deployments, deepen their trusted advisor status, and further their understanding of customers' businesses. Now let's take a closer look at the feature. First, it's helpful to understand that there are two components to this feature: live web chat with an agent and interactive chat response, or ICR. The first term should be self-explanatory, but let's look at the second. Interactive chat response allows for your website to offer an interactive chat mode, even if an agent is not available. ICR is a multi-purpose self-service tool that helps you to provide answers to common questions such as work hours or delivery area, qualify leads, and help route a customer to the right chat queue. This feature can provide a self-service chat support option to customers 24/7. As an example, a busy doctor's office might choose to offer quick and automatic responses to common questions, such as hours, location, and appointment protocols. This is easily accomplished via ICR. For the live web chat component, there are two main modes: proactive and reactive. Proactive occurs when the agent initiates chat with the customer. Reactive is the opposite. Reactive chat is always enabled, while proactive is disabled by default and must be manually enabled. Proactive chat can be offered with or without an invite. When used with an invite, the customer will have the ability to accept or decline. When used without an invite, the customer will be forced to begin chatting with the agent. When considering which mode to use, it's best to think about the overall customer experience. Is this a complex product or service where the agent's input might be welcomed? For example, how to accurately measure windows that need to be replaced. Or is it a fairly straightforward transactional website visit, wherein most customers would prefer to be left alone? Agents will also receive information on the customer's device type, which can provide further guidance on how to shape the chat conversation. Let's take a look at customizing a chat queue. Chat activation mode, as discussed earlier, determines under which conditions the chat is presented to the customer. If you've selected proactive mode, you can choose when the chat window will appear. You can also choose whether to launch the window in a minimized state, which uses less screen real estate, and whether to delete chat sessions after a period of time. On the Styling tab, you have multiple options for chat appearance, covering everything from chat logo, to light or dark theme, to colors used, and even the physical size of the chat window. The provided color schemes will suit many websites, but note that you still have the ability to use custom CSS. Please note that while chat and ICR can have different styling, and there are cases where this is desirable, most organizations will probably want them to match so that your visitors receive a consistent experience. Looking at our earlier example of the doctor's office, we see that there is a mismatch between the styling of the ICR pages and the styling of the chat queue pages. To correct this, we'll just adjust the ICR styling to match the chat. And you could of course do the opposite, changing the chat styling to match the ICR. The chat preview will update in real time to show the various views involved in the chat experience. Treatment options allows you to customize your web chat flow for visitors. You can let visitors leave an email if no agents are available, display wait time and/or position, and select from multiple queue treatment options for when a visitor's time in queue exceeds your specified threshold. You can also add waiting in queue messages. Default headers and messages allows you to specify the text shown to chat visitors in various states, such as when chat is initiated, when queues are attended and closed, when you're asking the visitor for their information prior to chatting, and more. Data collection refers to the form the customer must complete prior to the chat session starting, if you enable this option. You can choose from common elements such as name and email address or the reason for the customer's inquiry. And you can also create custom fields and questions. Post-chat data is also important. Head over to reporting to find this important part of the analysis. A few examples of the reports that include chat activity could be daily queue productivity, which is under Foundation, queue productivity with chats and emails on various timeframes, and agent activity with chats and emails. We hope you enjoyed this brief overview of the Intermedia Contact Center web chat feature. Thank you for watching.